Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to do regression in Excel. Here is a sample data. You can download and find this data on Canvas. So in this data set, here this column is the house value, which we consider as Y. And as we know, the house value will influence by a lot of factors. Here, I only consider 3 factors, which is the area of the house, the lot size of the house, and the year built of the house. And you can consider more, like the number of bedrooms and the number of bathrooms. So your data of your team should be like something like this. 1Y, which will influenced by 3 different factors. And now let's do simple linear regression. Simple linear regression, we only consider one fact. For example, the area of the house. How area of the house influence the value of the house. So your team member, each of you select one X and you will use the same Y. Now I will show you using the area of the house. So you can copy paste your data to a new sheet. So this is the factor I choose, area of the house. And this is the Y. So everyone, you will use the same Y. Copy paste to a new sheet. Another member in your team, maybe they can choose the lot size versus the house value, or the other student can choose the X as year built versus the same Y. So you will use the same Y but different X, only one X. So here is the data. Remember, we will use the data analysis. So data and data analysis. If you don't have this button, data analysis, please watch the video how to add in data analysis in Excel on the Canvas. Usually, before we do the simple linear regression, we want to have a view before the data analysis, so which we call the scatter plot. So you can select all the data. And insert, and then here is the scatter plot. So you can choose this way or this way, so either works. So scatter plot, you will have a look, and in Excel, they default the first column as X, and the default the second column as Y. So from this scatter plot, you can see it looks like a straight line between X and Y, which means there may exist a simple linear regressionship between this relationship. Now let's do the simple linear regression. Okay, we will click data and then data analysis. In this window, go up and down to find regression and click OK. First, input the data, Y range first. So in this example, the Y will be the value of the house. So usually I will including the title. So from the first one, select to the last one. And second, input X range. So click here, and X here is the square footage. So use the mouse to select from the first one to the last one. And because both of the 2 columns, I select the title. So I need to click neighbors. If you do not select the title, no need to click this one. Next, output range. So click here and click here, and you can put anywhere of your output. Maybe some empty space here. And lastly, click all the plots. So here are 3 plots: residue plot, line fit plot, and normal probability plot. Click the 3 because later we need to check the assumption check using the plots. And lastly, click OK. Now you have the output right now. And also the plot. Okay, we'll see separately. The residue plot and normal probability plot are used to check the 4 assumptions. So please read the lecture notes and watch the videos for the assumption check. And the line fit plot, so the line fit plot you can see if overall it can fit a straight line, which means there exists a simple linear regression relationship between x and y. So here in this example is very obviously a straight line can fit in, which means there is a simple linear relationship between the square footage and the value of the house. And also you can see it's an increase relationship, which means the more square footage it is, the more expensive the house value is. Here is the summary output, so please read the lecture notes and watch the videos how to read the output in Excel. That's all for this video.